Unlocking quantitative adjectives in questions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of English language learning, quantitative adjectives. Specifically, we'll see how they're used in questions. This is an essential skill to master for more precise and nuanced communication in English. So, let's get started. First things first, what are quantitative adjectives? These are adjectives that describe the quantity of something. They tell us how much or how many. Examples include many, few, much, and little. For instance, how many apples do you have? I have few friends in this city. Now, when we move these into questions, they help us inquire about the number or quantity of something. You'll typically find them at the beginning of a question. Examples include, how many books do you have? How much time do we have left? In both questions, how many and how much are quantitative adjectives used to ask about the quantity of books and time, respectively. It's important to remember that we generally use how many with countable nouns and how much with uncountable nouns. Examples: how many friends do you have? Friends is countable. How much milk do you want? Milk is uncountable. It's also worth noting that some quantitative adjectives can also be used in negative questions or in questions expressing doubt. Examples: aren't there enough chairs for everyone? Is there too much sugar in your coffee? Let's put our learning into practice. Try to frame questions with the following situations. 1. You want to know the number of pets your friend has. 2. You're curious about the amount of homework left to do. 3. You're doubting if there's sufficient food for the party. Answers: 1. How many pets do you have? 2. How much homework is left to do? 3. Is there enough food for the party? And there we have it. Today, we've delved into using quantitative adjectives in questions, an essential component of English grammar. Remember, practice is key to becoming comfortable with these. Try using them in your everyday English conversations. Thanks for joining, and we hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning!